Roman's tab.
Make it 3. The cat dragged in. I haven't seen you since the split. Are you good enough, Quinn?
Fantabulous and fabulous. Full steam ahead.
Then it's a crying shame that my boss wants you dead.
What else is new?
Without your ex's protection, he'll build that pretty face up for his private collection.
Oh, so now you belong to Mr. Roman Sionis?
That spoiled rich dickhole only wishes he owned this.
Empty in despair. All my dreams can't find it. Thought you were sent from up above, but you and me never had love. So much more I have to say. Help me find a way. And I wonder if you know how it really feels to be left outside alone. Where's cold out here? Well, maybe you should know just how it feels to be left outside alone. To be left outside alone.
Black Canary.
Green Arrow, I've noticed you around.
I know. You happy punching the bag, or you want to go a few rounds with me? I am talking about sparring.
That'd be nice too.
Actually, I'm waiting for you to bring a fairy tale my way. Been living in a fantasy without meaning. Is that okay? I don't feel safe. I need to. I've been making sweats for the other guys. Spinning all around and get paralyzed. And every time I try to beat myself, it comes out wrong and the crowds around. It's just not fair. Making more trouble than love is worth. I guess for share. Feels so good that you know for you. They never happen, girl. Hey, my nails, they never feel for you. Make me so nervous that I just can't hold you. You make me go. Every time I let it show. So
Can you dodge my canary, Cryberry?
Guess I'm about to find out.
Thanks for being stupid enough to try.